Hello!
We're in the midst of Storm Dennis.
Oh yes, we are. Yes, Storm Dennis is coming. So we've took refuge in a hide for this week's vlog, haven't we?
Yes, we have, yeah.
We're after kingfishers again. We've visited this place before. I will put a link up here to that video which you can watch, which was very popular on our channel, wasn't it?
Yes, it was, yeah. Who doesn't like a kingfisher?
Yeah, 4K video, and hopefully we'll get some more today.
I'm going for flight shots today.
Shall we? Yes.
I really want to try and get the kingfisher coming out of the water.
Yeah.
So it's going to be, what, 2,500, 3,000?
Yeah, I think I'm like 3,000, because the light is okay today, isn't it? Despite the storm coming in, it's quite, it's overcast, but not particularly overcast. So yeah, there's quite a lot of light.
There is, yeah. Just enough, I think.
Yeah. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed, and we'll keep you posted. I don't think there's anything else we need to say, is there?
No.
So keep watching.
Keep sitting in a tree just over there. Normally if he catches a big enough fish, he'll come to these little posts so he can bash it and kill it before he eats it. Otherwise he's currently just hiding in the tree. But well, it's still lovely to watch, and we're just waiting for him to come. And right in front of us. I'm using my 150 to 600, but actually I've got too much of the lens when he comes right to the front here, so I might switch over. Richard's on his 300, and that's pretty much perfect, isn't it? He's got
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Pretty much perfect. He's got an extender 1.4 converter, sorry, 1.4.
Yeah, this lens is pretty much perfect, to be fair, for here.
But you have to fiddle about taking the converter off if you want to get the flight shots.
Yes, yeah. It's not often I get to use it without the converter on.
Because you've got a smaller f-stop. When you do take the converter off, it allows a much cleaner image when you go fast.
Yes, it does.
That might be interesting, because the kingfisher visited about 5-10 minutes ago, and we may have both the same shots. Might be interesting to see the difference, see if there's yours is cleaner.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
We can put them up together and compare the difference.
So we obviously by you hearing that, we did get flight shots, so we were lucky.
Hopefully.
Yes, we did. You've got to be more confident, Jen.
Okay.
We got flight shots. They looked fine on the back of the camera.
Yeah.
Didn't they?
Well, until I get it on the PC,
Yeah.
I can't say 100% whether I've got it or not.
I'm sure they'll be fine. The proof of the pudding, you'll see it now, probably, if they're any good.
Right, we've got several shots of the kingfisher.
Yep.
We have to go quite fast today, don't we? Because
we do. Yeah, the storm.
Dennis is approaching.
The wind is picking up as we speak, isn't it?
So we're going to go straight to the stump now.
Yep.
And see how the animals are faring, because I reckon they're going to be out quite a lot, because it's been horrible weather for them. So hopefully we can see maybe a vole.
Onto the the vole, the bank vole.
Maybe nuthatches. I don't know. I don't know how they're going to be faring with the weather. So.
Onto the vole. Onto the stump.
Yes.
So the wind is really getting up now.
Yeah, Dennis is getting angry.
So
we'll pop in.
We'll pop into this hide and do the
we'll say what we've seen. It's a wrap for us, isn't it?
Yes, that is.
Dennis is really starting to pick
Storm
up.
Dennis is coming in. We did manage to
go to the stump.
We went to the stump. I had trouble setting up my video arm.
Have you used it before?
No, which you'll see. Only because the battery grip of my camera was getting in the way, so I was swearing a little bit. I had a bit of an issue there.
We got a little vole.
We did. We got a bank vole. Yeah.
A couple of photos and a little bit of footage.
Yeah.
There's 2 kingfishers.
Oh yeah, back to the kingfishers. Yeah, that was
2 kingfishers,
male and female, calling, catching fish.
Oh, it was brilliant.
Flying about, awesome.
Even in the rain, they were still doing fair and well.
Yeah, they
when
were.
It started to rain.
Which surprised me because I would have thought the rain would have hampered their fishing.
Yeah, they stayed to the trees a little bit, but they were coming out. We got some.
But one of them, I think it was the female I videoed at the end. Took a massive fish. Are they perch?
Thought the fish?
Yeah.
I've got no idea.
I think they're perch. If they're not perch, I'll put it up here what they are. If they are perch, then round of applause to me.
And previously, we'd always talked about that I can't shoot in 4K. I can shoot in 4K.
Yes, you can shoot in 4K.
And I've got some 4K footage of the kingfisher
on the D500.
Yeah. So overall, it's been a great day.
It has been an awesome day, considering we weren't even sure that the reserve was going to be open because of Storm Dennis. But the light has dropped now. It's getting cloudy and the wind is definitely picking up.
And we were told by another friend that I've seen today that we can now hide the hide. So
between 5 and 9 in the morning and 5 and 9 at night, I think, in the evening.
Oh, I don't know about the evening one, but that'll be good if we can hide a hide over the spring.
That's us done.
Right, that's us going. Hope you enjoyed the video.
We'll put a link to our, I don't know whether I've already mentioned this, we'll put a link to our previous Kingfisher vlog.
We have, but we've just done 2 links.
Up here. so you can watch that as well. And
Yes. Because we're going to start doing a kind of like a series playlists, aren't we?
yes, yes.
So you can click on the
I have got
playlist.
a plan for our local parks.
Yes. So you can click on the playlist and
Get to my
watch
park.
all the actual videos linking to that.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, and we'll see. Yeah, the wind is definitely big.
Yeah, it's creepy. I thought it was a person coming
I
in.
thought someone was coming
We've
in.
got to
The
go.
hide is moving. We'll. This is Rich,
Jim,
and we'll see you next time.
Windy Dennis.
Bye.
Bye.